What I appreciate about the physical yoga asana practice is that it not only helps with your core strength and muscle toning like Pilates, but it also helps improve your balance, it lengthens your muscles through deep stretches, and it gives you the mental stress relief, and it gives you the increased focus and attention. The yoga poses are also designed to help get your vital energy flowing in a low impact and safe way. What you probably didn't know about the physical yoga practice is that it also helps prevent injuries. Take, for example, our one-legged standing poses, like our tree pose. It helps develop the awareness and strength in your foot and joints, like your ankle, so that everyday actions like stepping off a curve or running around and chasing your children and grandchildren, or even sidestepping through a crowd, all become smooth and pain-free. Many professional athletes like NFL football players, Carson Wentz, Tom Brady, Jordan Matthews, all incorporate yoga into their daily routine, not only because of the total body coordination, but it helps with increased agility and the mental benefits to help up their games. If you ask any yoga practitioner who discovered yoga later in life, their only regret is that they didn't start earlier.